My name is Charlie Labuzzetta. This is my fourth year studying statistics and environmental science as a co-major PhD student. In this short presentation, I'm going to briefly describe one of my research projects. Best management practices for soil and water conservation are key strategies for reducing soil erosion and controlling nutrient runoff. These practices, which I refer to as BMPs, include structural and vegetative features such as grassed waterways, terraces, pond dams, and water and sediment control basins, or WASCOBs. Currently, we have few detailed records that have tracked the patterns of BMP use over time. If we can geographically map the use of these BMPs, we can more effectively study their impact and prioritize future installations. Studies have shown that conservation efforts can make the greatest impact when BMP use is targeted. The Iowa BMP Mapping Project has taken an initial step in mapping the use of BMPs in Iowa. They have finished their first database of several BMP types that were installed in Iowa's fields between 2007 and 2010. Scientists used aerial imagery and LiDAR-derived products to hand digitize these BMP maps, which include over 1 million features in total. In this zoomed-in image, we can see examples of these features, showing terraces in blue, grassed waterways in yellow, pond dams in red, and wascobs in white. This was a very tedious and expensive task, taking over 4 years to complete, so it would be great if we can automate a method of monitoring these BMPs. So that's where my research comes in. I am currently experimenting with deep learning methods such as convolutional neural networks to see if we can automate the process of locating BMPs throughout Iowa. We have made progress in segmenting these images to recognize these BMPs at the pixel level. My experiments have included testing methods to incorporate LiDAR products into the model, improving sampling techniques, and comparing various loss functions in order to better train these deep learning models. I hope that these experiments will assist in the automation of monitoring the use of BMPs across the Midwest. Ultimately, automating this process will help us more efficiently understand the trends of the use of BMPs over time and prioritize future conservation efforts.